NCERT bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to do a reaction which represents ionic bond formation. Today's reaction is in between magnesium and chlorine. So let's begin. Between magnesium Mg and chlorine Cl, which ultimately leads to formation of magnesium chloride, whose formula is MgCl2. Now I am going to write the reaction. So here I have drawn a magnesium atom with its two valence electrons, which I have represented with crosses. It has an electronic configuration of 2A2. And I have drawn two chlorine atoms since the formula suggests so. Both of them each have an electronic configuration of 2A7. Now the reaction. Magnesium loses its two valence electrons. And the two chlorine atoms over here, each of them gets one of these lost valence electrons. So there is now this transfer of electrons occurs, and this ultimately leads to formation of it has led to formation of two Cl- anions, chloride anions, and one Mg2+ cation. They have an electronic configuration of, here the Cl- anions have configurations 2, 8, 8 each. And magnesium Mg2+ cation has a configuration of 2, 8. The Cl- chloride anions have attained the octet configuration of argon, which is 288, and Mg2+ cation has attained the octet configuration of neon. This can also be written as Mg2+ and Cl-2. As a result, Mg2+ cation and 2 Cl- chloride anions, chloride anions, are attracted to each other. By the electrostatic force of attraction. take force of attraction. This leads to formation of an electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, unit Mg2 plus Cl minus 2 magnesium chloride is electrically neutral. Since number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges, which is 2 negative charges and 2 positive charges. Hence, the unit Mg2 plus Cl minus 2 is electrically neutral. Now you may take a close look at this reaction to sharpen your concept. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more episodes. Thank you.